Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Ali from the Information System Department. Here, I will be presenting about infinitives as a project to replace the final action. Welcome to the presentation on understanding infinitives. What is an infinitive? An infinitive is the best form of a verb often preceded by the word to, for example, to run or to play. However, there is also a form without to called a bare infinitive such as run or eat. Function of infinitives. Infinitives are versatile. They can function as subject of a sentence, a subject of complement, an object, a modifier, either as an adjective or an adverb. A purpose indicator. Infinitive as subject. An infinitive can act as the subject or of a sentence. For example, to read is enjoyable. To travel the world requires courage. Infinitive as subject complements. Infinitives can describe or rename the subject of a sentence. For example, his goal is to succeed. Their dream is to explore the universe. Infinitives as object. Infinitives can act as object of verb. For instance, she wants to learn Spanish. They decided to postpone the meeting. Infinitive as modifiers. Infinitive can modify nouns or verb. As an adjective, this is the best book to read. As an adverb, he worked hard to achieve his goal. Bare infinitive. Bare infinitives are infinitives without to. They are often used after modal verbs or curtain verbs like let, make, see, or her. Example, she can swim. They made him apologize. Infinitive to show purpose. Infinitives can indicate the purpose of an action. For example, he studied hard to pass the exam. She called to invite us to the party. Common verbs followed by infinitives. Some verbs are commonly followed by infinitive, such as agree, he agreed to help, decide, they decided to leave early, want, she wants to visit Paris, plan, we plan to meet at noon. In conclusion, infinitives play important roles in English grammar, functioning as subject, complements, object, modifiers, and purpose indicator. Be sure to distinguish between two infinitives and bare infinitives based on context. Regular practice is key to mastering their usage. Before I conclude, I would like to apologize if there were any parts of the presentation that were unclear or if I made any mistake. I hope the information shared today was helpful and I appreciate your understanding and patience. Thank you again for your time and attention.
Good morning. Thank you for contacting Galaxy Support Center. My name is Imam. Who may I assist you today?
Good morning, Imam. My name is Ali. I recently purchased the Galaxy S45 and I've been experiencing some issues with it.
I'm sorry to hear that, Ali. Could you please describe the issues you're facing?
Sure, the phone started malfunction just a month after I bought it. The screen sometimes freezes and the battery drains much faster than expected. I didn't anticipate this kind of problem for such a high-end device.
I understand how frustrating that must be, Ali. I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. Did you try any troubleshooting trip, or is this the first time you're reporting the issue?
I've tried restarting the phone and updating the software, but the problem persists. I think it would be best to reach out directly to customer service for assistance.
That's good. This Taxi. Let me check the warranty detail for your device. Call you provide me with your user that and the share number of your phone.
Certainly, I booked it on on 1st December 2024 and the serial number is G45X123456.
Thank you, Ali. Based on the information you provide, your device is still under warranty. We can arrange for a free repair or replacement. While you prefer to bring it to one of our service center, or should I schedule to pick it up?
I think scheduling a career would be more convenient for me.
Of course, I set that up for you. Your and Gmail with instruction shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help, Imam. You've been very professional and
It's
understanding.
my pleasure. Ali will answer your phone, get fish and soon possible. Have a great day.
Thank you too.